I've found this experience enlightening. I like the professor a lot. I think the structure of the program was extremely well balanced. The sessions were not too long and the breaks were perfectly timed. The content obviously was highly qualitative and I enjoyed it very much. It's very practical, so there's definitely a lot of things that I can implement immediately in my practice. It kind of helps me to focus on what matters, because as managers we always have a lot on our plate and we deal with a lot of things all day, and it's kind of hard sometimes to know what to focus on. So this actually brought some clarity on the areas that we need to focus on better. So nothing bad to say about the program at this time. I don't think I have any relevant or valuable points or recommendations to improve. You did a great job and everything was excellent.